Some people thought that gravity was rather local, and some evidence for that was back in the early 1700s when they looking at the planets. The astronomer types know that when a planet goes by Jupiter, for example, the planet coming around the sun like this, when it goes by Jupiter, it sort of wobbles a little bit. And that was to be expected, because there's an interaction between the planet and Jupiter too, like the planet Uranus, okay? But when Uranus is way out here, and Jupiter's over here, they found out that Uranus was acting a little differently out there too. They called that a perturbation. And they found out that the planet Uranus was undergoing a perturbation where no other planet was. And the popular idea at the time was, well, way out there, the law of gravity, Newton's majestic law of gravity, is obviously breaking down. But not everyone believed that. A couple of mathematician types made some calculations as to where another planet would have to be to cause those perturbations. And they made about the same time in history. One was an Englishman, the other one was a Frenchman. And the Englishman reported his hypothesis and sent it to the observatory in Greenwich, England. When the observatory type got his letter, opened it up and says, "What's this? Some mathematician is telling me that there's a new planet, so-and-so coordinates in the sky. What is this stuff?" I'm exaggerating. The Frenchman sent his findings to the observatory in Berlin. And the Berlin types said, "What's this? A new planet? If I turn my telescope so many degrees that way and so many degrees, I will find a new planet?" Son of a b****. There it was. They discovered a planet predicted by the law of gravity. And that planet they called Neptune. That's right. Neptune was predicted. That's the nice thing about science. If you know some science, it will allow you to predict things, see? And they predicted where Neptune was. Ain't that neat? And later on in 1930, this century, they found other perturbations of Uranus. And those other perturbations led to the discovery of what planet, gang? Do you know? Pluto. That's right, Pluto.